everyone, I'm Chen from Blue Sky Graphics, and today we'll show you how to create this landing page with WordPress and Elementor. So, I'll go to the WordPress dashboard and open a new page. Let's name it landing page. And if it's a landing page, very important that the page attribute will be Elementor Canvas. Now, since we installed the Elementor plugin, we have an option here, Edit with Elementor. As you can see on the left sidebar, we have all the widgets that we can use with Elementor. Heading, intersection, text editor, if I scroll down, navigation menu, price table, everything, and we'll see how easy it is to create a landing page. First thing I'll do, open a new section with 2 columns. On the right column, I will have an image, so I'll drag and drop the image. And I can go to the media library and select that illustrations. Great. If I go to style, I have an option to control the width, something like that. And by clicking here, I will go back to the widgets. So let's drag and drop a heading. Just write a title. Wrote the title, then I go to style, have a text color. We can leave it black, and typography. All the fonts here are from Google Fonts. Let's find a nice font. And very important to have hierarchy between the title and the text, the body. 600. Great, I can go back and have the title. Now I can drag and drop the text editor. So we can leave it lorem ipsum, just a dummy text from Elementor. And very important part, to drag a CTA button, which is call to action. Let's write launch project. So here I can write the text, icon if I want to have a library. And of course it will be after the text, spacing. And it will link to somewhere else, either contact us page or a form. Let's go to style, and I can have the background color. Box shadow will be the shadow for the button. Keep it in the same color. And radius, so we can have it a bit more round, which is nicer. Another option you have is to change the color when the user will hover. So if I go to the background color, select black, you can see by hover, it's changing, and hover animation. That's an important thing. That's called in user experience micro interactions. When people hover, something really happened, so they can understand that it's a button. Great, we have the first section. Let's scroll down and add an icon box. So I have 4 columns. Go back. I can use either the image box or the icon box. It depends. If you use icons, which is SVG, you will select the icon box. Let's try the image box. You can see I have the icon as an image. So I was using the image box. So I have to choose an image, title and description. I can leave it a dummy text. Spacing, everything is here in the panel under style. Let's go to content, bring it here. We can, the content, align it to the left. And instead of creating another one in Elementor, I can right-click, copy, and paste. And of course, we'll have just changed the content. One, two, three, and that's the fourth one. Now, very important to have some space between the sections. So I can click Edit Section, Advanced, and with the padding, just bring 4% top and bottom. Okay, the third section. Let's have one column with a heading. And a text editor. Center it. Now, I want to be consistent in my landing page or website. There is an option here, if I go back to the heading with typography, to have global fonts. So I had Montserrat 47, 600 weight. I can hit the plus and create it for the titles, which means if I go back here, I will find it under thing. We can add a button with a center and a background. So if I want a background for the whole section, I will click Edit Section. Let's add a nice gradient. Control the angle. And of course, it's too close to the edges. So I will go to Advanced. Again, padding from the top. Maybe a little bit more. And to create contrast, let's have a background. Perfect. Fourth section with 3 columns. Let's go back to the widgets. And I can find the count column. So we'll have a starting number and ending number. So it can start from 0, 18, just a title, themes that will count. And again, I can copy and just paste it to the other sections. And of course, change the title. Users. Active installs. Again, let's add some padding. So I'll go to Advanced. And a background, but now a solid color, just a light gray. Okay, let's have our last section with 2 columns. This time I will drag and drop another image to the left column. Let's go to Style, control the width, and again we'll have title, and a text editor. Now I want to show you how we can add social icons if you want to connect your portfolio or your website to social media pages. Let's use a divider here. And we can always search social icons or share buttons. So if you want to share the page, that's an option, or just connect it to social media. If it's Facebook, YouTube, find library under brands, Instagram, and we have the links to style. So again, I can control the size and the hover for the icons, and then hit publish. And our landing page ready. Thanks everyone for watching, and check our website for more videos and more information.